kanina, tanghali, pumasok siya sa opisina ng Majority Leader. Sinara niya yung pintuan, tapos sabi niya, everybody sit down. No? I want to tell you about my plans for what to do with Congress, sabi niya. I'm running for speaker, sabi niya. No? Tapos lumapit siya sa sabi niya, ikaw, sabi niya, if you will join me, I will make you deputy speaker. Ganun ang mga salita-salita niya. So, siyempre nagulat lahat doon. Ano? Wala naman nag-react masyado. Si Majority Leader, siyempre, was the gentleman that he is, pinabayaan lang siya. And then, sabi niya, well, you know, why are you here? Ginaganyan siya. No? So anyway, nagkaroon sila ng mga insidente doon. Hindi umalis, siyempre hindi naman pinapaalis dahil mabait yung mga na-adapt na niya doon eh. So walang nangyari, and then lumabas siya. No? And then, but I think, dito, kung kagagaling ko lang sa session hall, sa plenary, umiikot siya ngayon, is campaigning to be speaker. And sinasabi niya, he is going daw to declare all seats vacant, mga ganyan-ganyan. Kung anong sinasabi niya na, alam mo, for us who are there, na, you know, I mean, di gawin mo yung gagawin mo, pero, you know, parang wala sa lugar, parang hindi dapat actions ng mga congressman na maayos ito. And itong pinag-aalala namin, na baka akalain ng ating mga kababayan, lalong-lalo na ngayon that Congress is under siege. Lahat kami, we are under a microscope. Diba? Tinitignan kami about our behavior, our everything, diba? And kami, we want to be upfront about everything. We want to disclose whatever needs to be disclosed. Salin, kunin nyo lahat yan. We're trying our level best to earn the trust of our people. Okay? So medyo mahirap itong biglang may papasok na gino that will distract everybody from the serious stuff that we are doing. And with misguided behavior, will direct the people's attention to things that are not true, to things that are not proper, and to things that should not be discussed in a responsible gathering like Congress. Okay? So dahil dyan, nagdidesisyon kami na maybe, you know, kumbaga, kahit na ba may mga anak tayo na mahal naman natin, naintindihan naman natin na bata pa sila, na dapat talaga tuturuan natin, di ba? Tutulungan natin na makarating sa tamang lugar, may panahon na talagang ang damage na ginagawa ay lumalabas na sa ating bakuran. No? So this is not just a damage to NUP anymore. Kasi kung yun lang, talagang pagpapasensya namin lahat yan eh. Dahil alang-alang sa kanyang tatay. No? But the damage is going everywhere. No? Tinitira yung Senate President. Tinitira yung ating Senate President pro tempore, who is the head of the Blue Ribbon Committee. Tinitira lahat ng cabinet members, yung Justice, yung DILG, yung DPWH at a time, when it's a very sensitive period, not just for us here in the House of Representatives or DPWH, but the whole country. Kasi we have to resolve this issue of the, you know, mga flood control and so on. And hindi maganda na nabababo yan, natatabi, and then kung ano-anong mga lumalabas, na parang hindi naman seryoso, kundi ang balak lamang is manggulo. Okay, so, dahil gusto namin ipakita sa Kamara na hindi kami sang-ayon sa ganyang klaseng behavior na will be disruptive to Congress, will be disruptive to the orderly running of our government, naisip namin na we have to do something. And malungkot na malungkot kami dahil gagawin namin ito. This morning talaga, in fact, hindi kami unanimous, no, sa partido. And NUP, kadalasan unanimous naman kami talaga eh. Pero hindi kami unanimous, no. Dahil ang iba nagsasabi, hindi, pabayaan na lang natin, let's just time it properly, wag na lang muna natin gawin itong gagawin natin. Kaya lang, you know, we said that last week, no, and habang tumatagal, mukhang hindi humuhupa eh. No, parang nagagasolinahan eh, no. Lalong tumitindi ang sunog. So sabi namin, hindi, pananagutan ng partido namin, it's our responsibility to our districts, di ba? Sa aming mga distrito, na dapat naman sabihin ng mga aming botante na may seryoso naman kami mga tao dito at wala naman kaming pinapayagan na ganyan mambababoy na lang sa mga institusyon natin sa gobyerno, kahit galing sa tao na is not well. Okay? So, ito ngayon ang amin. So, natapos kami sa ganito. Sige, let's bring it before the Ethics Committee. Because what is important here is not the culpability of the individual. Ito i-emphasize ko to Hindi kami nanghahabol ng tao dito. It's not culpability of the individual that we are focusing on. We are focusing on the standard of behavior that is expected from us here.